whispered Mimi, singing. In a quiet corner of the world, where the grass grew tall and golden and the breeze was always gentle, there lived a giraffe named Rafie. Rafie was tall and friendly, with a soft, patchy coat, big, curious eyes, and the longest eyelashes in the savannah. He loved stretching his neck to reach high-up leaves, walking through the meadows and smiling at butterflies as they danced past. But more than anything, Rafie loved listening. He listened to the wind rustling the trees. He listened to the babbling stream nearby. He even listened to the soft crunch of grass under his hooves. One sunny morning, while the sky was blue and the air was warm, Rafie stood beside his favorite tree. It was a tall, twisty tree with wide branches and a perfect view of the rolling hills. As he munched on a mouthful of leaves, he heard something new, something lovely. La la la, tweet, 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 eat! It was a soft, sweet song that floated down from the treetop. Rafie stopped chewing, lifted his long neck, and looked up. Sitting on the very top branch was a little bright yellow bird. Her feathers sparkled in the sunlight, and her eyes twinkled as she sang. "Oh, wow," whispered Rafie, his ears perked up. "What a beautiful sound." The bird noticed him and gave a cheerful chirp. "Hello down there," Rafie blinked. "You sing so wonderfully. I've never heard anything like it." The bird giggled. "Thank you. I'm Mimi. I love singing songs in the morning. It makes my heart feel light and floaty." Rafie took a happy step forward. "I'm Rafie. I love listening to things, but I've never listened to a singing bird before." "That was amazing." Mimi fluttered her wings proudly. "Would you like to hear another?" "Oh yes, please," Rafie said, sitting down carefully with his legs folded underneath him. And so Mimi began to sing again. She sang a song about sunshine, soft and golden. She sang a song about clouds that looked like fluffy sheep. She sang a funny little song about a zebra who wore socks. Rafie laughed so much at the zebra song that he almost rolled over in the grass. His big belly shook, and his laughter echoed across the field. Mimi giggled too. "You have the best laugh I've ever heard," Rafie beamed. "You have the best songs I've ever heard." All morning, the two new friends stayed by the tree. Mimi sang and chirped, sometimes high, sometimes low, sometimes with silly sounds that made Rafie laugh until he had to wipe tears from his eyes with the tip of a leafy branch. When they stopped for a rest, Rafie brought Mimi some of the biggest, greenest leaves he could find. "For you," he said kindly. "Thank you for your songs." Mimi fluttered down to his head and perched between his ears. "And thank you for listening. I've never had such a happy audience before." They both looked out across the warm hills. The wind whispered. The flowers swayed, and everything felt just right. From that day on, Rafie and Mimi met at the twisty tree every morning. Mimi would sing, Rafie would listen, and they would giggle and laugh together, sharing stories and sunshine. Because sometimes the very best days come from a song, a friend, and someone who listens with a happy heart.